MTD network at Aire Erosion in Leeds. We're going to have a chat with Paul and find out more about the company. So Paul, what do you do here?
We're very much specialists in wire erosion, spark erosion, deep hole and fast fill drilling.
Okay, the opportunity to go and look at the actual machines, but what industries do you deal in first of all?
We very much subcontracts or all different types, mainly oil tooling, gas tooling, aerospace, medical, all things like that with exotic materials.
I do understand you've got a part whizzing around outer space that you made for NASA, is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct, yeah. Some bits and bobs. Not allowed to talk about it.
Okay, we'll say no more on that subject. All right then, with EDM, what sort of materials do you work on?
All your alloys, Inconels, all your fancy exotic materials, anything that's been hardened as well that you can't sort of manufacture on normal CNC machines with normal tooling, wire erosion tends to work a lot better on.
Got you. So I think looking at one of the machines we've got here behind us, the guys just working on, and an example of what you've actually done here. There's the electrode.
Yeah, those are electrodes. These are all manufactured sort of different sizes, so it's one cut, one accuracy, straight down. Creates your form whatever you want straight away, really. Okay,
then it'll be an option. I'll take that from you, and I've been told not to touch a graphite because it'll break it. An actual component you manufactured here.
Yeah, just so for example, you're trying to get in the square hole there. That's a smaller size than that one, but we go down in a couple of passes for different sizes, to obviously just take the weight out. But then it just creates one size accuracy straight away.
Okay, so why wouldn't you actually mill that then?
Well, you couldn't get the square corners with a milling cutter, so most of them are round anyway. So that just goes straight down, straight to depth, creates all your form in one go, really.
Okay, so it really gives you that accuracy. That's a sink. Let's go and have a look at the fast hole drilling.
Okay.
So, can you tell me what this machine does, please?
So this is our small deep hole driller. It does it at a rapid speed as well.
Okay, when you say deep hole and small, what size does the actual electrodes go to?
This particular machine's got a range of 0.5 up to 3 millimetres and a stroke length of about 300 to 400 mil, depending on the size. Obviously, the smaller you go, it's harder to get them sort of depths. You lose a bit of accuracy, but it can do it.
Okay. So, it's holes essentially that you're making that you could never ever think about milling.
Oh no, it's such a fine sort of accurate thing that milling machines are just smashy drills and stuff like that.
Okay, and examples of work you do with this machine?
Tiny holes. There's one here actually, where someone's broke holes in things, and we're trying to get them back out for them. So because the same sort of range of exotic materials as well. There's no cutting forces again on these, so it'll cut the harder gear that milling machines can't. It'll do them sort of things as well.
Okay, now next stop is the wire erosion, so let's go and have a look at that.
Okay.
Last but not least, the wire EDM.
Yes, this is one of our best and newest machines. This is for your slightly larger, a lot more accurate, all exotic materials again, as you can see, fully submerged.
Okay, so why would you use this machine as opposed to a normal CNC mill or lathe, for example?
Well, this is again can just get you more accurate shapes and more tight corners, square corners and things like that, because the wire is only 0.3 of a millimetre thick on this particular component.
Got you. And this is your newest machine, but I understand not your biggest.
No, not our biggest. We do actually have one of the biggest that they actually make, and one of the biggest in the country. It's got an 800 metre by 550 table.
800 metre?
800 millimetres, sorry. And but it's actually the height on it. It goes up to 510 high, so you can get really large components in there that not a lot of people can do.
Okay, then can you give me a quick summary of Aire Erosion then?
So we're a specialist high precision factory specialising in EDM, spark erosion and deep hole drilling.
Paul, thank you very much.
Thank you.